Age is just a number. Well, absolutely. That's the perfect attitude. Anyhow, it never harms to keep account of your blood sugar, your BP, or your calories. Hello and welcome to yet another exciting and charged up episode of Reebok Fit in 15 with Easy Tone with me, Mickey Mehta. It won't take much to take out those 15 minutes from your day.
To all those women who keep wondering where their day went, here's a 15-minute super quick guide to fitness. You could be a working woman, a homemaker, a college goer, or an entrepreneur. Fitness is important in every case. So come along with us on this fitness highway. It's called Reebok Fit in 15 with Easy Tone, powered by Mickey Mehta.
35 के ऊपर जाते जाते one needs to start taking care of their health more than ever. So this episode is for the women between 35 to 45 who face problems like stress, blood sugar levels, lower metabolic rate, etc. It's time you threw these words out of your dictionary and just remember the fitness mantra that we are going to give you in the next 15 minutes. Hi girls, today we are going to do exercises for ladies in the age group of 35 to 45. Simple yet effective. Check out the first. First exercise, lie down with your hands behind, stomach tucked in. Take a deep breath, and as you come up, Sangya, do it with me. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Right? Are you fine? Comfortable? Go back. Hands behind. Very good. Okay, ladies, here we go. First, take a deep breath in. And with all the cheer, come up with your left knee to your forehead. 1. And breathe in and back. 2. And breathe in and back. 3. Together, girls. And breathe in and back. 4. Very good. Breathe in and back. 5. Breathe in and back. 6. You're looking smart. Breathe in and back. 7 for those sexy curves. 8. And a slender stomach. 9. Beautiful curvatures. 10. Keep going, girls. 11. Wonderful, Aradhna. 12. Sanya, are you feeling good? 13. And 14. Breathe in. 15. And relax. Just 5 more breaths, girls. Recover. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, girls, come up and sit. Exercise number 2. Lie down with hands behind. And simply with your legs, take a deep breath and start cycling. This exercise is a great calorie burner. It's a good cardiovascular exercise, and also it will shape up your stomach on the lower side. Abdominals, very good. Come on, girls, look sharp. Hands behind. Hands behind, girls. Very good. Take a deep breath and start with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Down, girls. This particular exercise can be repeated 3 times, 20 into 3. Okay, girls, take a deep breath. And slowly start with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, girls. Now we come to the next exercise, which is cycling and a crunch combination. Okay? It is simple but difficult if you don't concentrate. And any exercise without focus and concentration is a waste. So I'm sure you guys don't want to waste yourself, Sangya. We want to do everything with focus and concentration in life so that we can progress. Okay, girls? So, hands behind. So from here, check this out, girls. Sangya, along with me, start the cycle with your right leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And crunch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and crunch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and crunch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Got it, girls? I hope you can do this. Okay, girls, so remember, on my count, you have to come up and crunch. Please follow my counts and don't give up. Hands behind, take a deep breath. And first start your cycle with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, relax. That was so good, girls. That was very nice. Get your breath back. So girls, your hands, with your hands behind, take a deep breath. Now as you breathe out, simply bring your hands in the front next to your hips. Simply your hands. That's it. Again, breathe in and go behind. And simply bring your hands back. Breathe out. Sangya, recover. Are you ready for the next exercise?
Yes.
Okay, girls. All you have to do is sit up and watch me. Alright? Get your hands behind. Here. And 2. And 3. And 4. Got it, girls? So, girls, get your hands behind. And when I say start, on every count, do a cycle and come back in the start position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stay there, stay there, stay there. This particular exercise is very good to tighten your lower abdominal, and it is just fantabulous to shape it up. Okay, girls, let's do one more round of it. 10 counts, take a deep breath. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax your legs down on the floor. Remove your hands, get them behind. And recover your breath, please. Keep breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Imagine your stomach becoming tighter, stronger, tougher. Got it, girls? Okay. Wow, wasn't that great fun? अब तो कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा to miss this show. India में कहते हैं कि lady of the house has the keys to it. Well, there's another set of keys that you hold. The key to your fitness, जो आप कहीं रख के भूल गए हैं, madam. So now, just for 15 minutes in a day, make sure you open your fitness treasure and give yourself the much needed exercise. We will see you again with yet another fresh set of really exciting exercises on Reebok Fit in 15 with Easy Tone, only on Zoom. Have a fit day.